In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed different types of sign-up forms using Constant Contact. If you're looking to grow your audience and collect valuable contacts through your website or other platforms, sign-up forms are a fantastic tool and Constant Contact makes it incredibly easy to set them up. We'll go through the entire process step by step to help you make the most of this feature. First, you'll want to be logged into your Constant Contact account. From here, head over to Audience Growth and then navigate to Sign Up Forms. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll have a variety of options to choose from to suit your website's style and needs. Next up, you'll see a selection of form types available for you. Let's break these down so you can choose the best one for your purpose. A pop-up form is pretty straightforward. It'll appear as a window over your website, capturing your visitor's attention immediately. A flyout form, on the other hand, slides out from the side, providing a more subtle yet still noticeable presence. Then there's the banner form, which you can strategically place at either the top or bottom of your site to ensure it's seen right away without being intrusive. For those of you who prefer something embedded seamlessly into your content, the inline form is an excellent choice. It can be added directly into your pages, posts, sidebars, or footers. There's also the sign up landing page, which is a standalone web page hosted by Constant Contact, specifically designed for collecting contacts. And if you're using social media to drive engagement, Facebook lead ads forms can be extremely effective. For today's example, we're going to focus on inline forms because of their versatility and clean integration. Once you select the inline form option, the first step is to give your form a unique name. This is just for your reference later on, so make it something memorable. Now comes the fun part. Customize your form's content, fields, and appearance. Tailor it to your brand's identity, and ensure it captures the necessary information from your audience. You'll also decide which list these new contacts should be added to, making it effortless to segment your audience for targeted communications. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Publish or Save. You're almost there. After your form is live, click on the three dots to open up a menu and select View Inline Code. Copy this code to your clipboard, which is as simple as clicking Copy to Clipboard. The final step is to embed this piece of code into your website's HTML wherever you want the form to appear. Whether it's on your homepage, blog, or footer, just paste it in and you're all set. And that's it, you've successfully created and embedded your sign-up form using Constant Contact. It's an effective way to not only engage your visitors but also build your contact list, helping your business grow. Thanks for watching and happy creating.